So you've probably seen all these gurus all over your For You page on TikTok or Instagram, and they're trying to sell you a course about what? About dropshipping.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So in today's video, I'll be giving an in-depth guide of what dropshipping is and can you still make money with it in 2021? So welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Ibrahim Ghafoor. I am the host, and on this channel we'll be talking about a variety of financial related stuff, such as how to make money online, how to make money with side hustles, reselling, flips, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and a bunch more. So if you guys smashed that like button and subscribed and commented for the algorithm, it would mean a lot to me. So you're probably wondering, what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is basically where you don't hold any inventory of the product you're selling. So the first thing you do in dropshipping is you actually open a site, whether it is Wix or Shopify, and once you open the site on Shopify, you then import the product from a supplier, such as a supplier on Ali Express. And once you do that, you then market the product, whether it's influencer marketing, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. So when someone orders your product, let's say you got your product from AliExpress, you then go on AliExpress and actually order the product on AliExpress and set the shipping address to your customer. So once the order gets fulfilled, the supplier will actually send the order straight from their warehouse all the way to your customer. So basically in this process, you're actually the middleman and you're not sorting out any of the product and how it gets shipped. All you're doing is sorting out marketing and web design and customer service. So if you're still confused, don't worry. Let me head over to my computer and give you a few examples of how dropshipping works. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So over here, we actually see an LED light store. And this store is basically selling SMD 550 LED strip lights, which they are selling it for $28. And it comes with a remote control and everything. So this exact product over here, if we go on AliExpress link over here, this exact product is actually $12. So it's the same spec, it has the IR controller, non-waterproof, 10-meter full set, and it's from China. And this is $12. So if we look over here, this person is selling it for $28, so they're making around a $17 profit, which is very good. Now obviously this doesn't include marketing costs, transaction fee costs, shipping costs, and taxes, but this shows you the potential of dropshipping and how much profit you can actually make. So let's say you were dropshipping this LED lights product on your store. Every time you would get an order, you would basically go on AliExpress or go on Oberlo and fulfill the order through there. So once you fulfill the order, the supplier will get a notification that you ordered their product, and then they will completely send that product you ordered straight to the customer without you having to do anything in the middle. So after that, you're probably wondering, is dropshipping still profitable in 2021? And the answer is yes, of course it is. But the answer is you have to put more work towards it and treat it like it's a real brand. If you take advantage of apps like TikTok and promote there for free, you can build a proper brand and you'll find yourself pretty profitable, considering you'll have $0 to spend on ads. So that'll do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Please smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. It would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, peace.